In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message an instructor on Udemy. Whether you're seeking clarification on a specific part of the course content, need further resources, or simply want to connect with your instructor to provide feedback, communicating directly with your instructor can greatly enhance your learning experience. So let's dive into the process step by step, shall we? First things first, you'll need to access Udemy's website. Head to the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the login button. Clicking on it will bring up several options for logging in. For a smooth and quick login process, we recommend using the Google icon for authentication. Click on this icon to proceed. After clicking on the Google icon, you're prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the account that's associated with your Udemy account. This will usually be the Google account you used when you signed up for Udemy. Once you select the right Google account, you may be asked for your password if you're not already signed in on your browser. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to the section where all the magic happens, the My Learning area. This hub is your go-to spot for all the courses you're enrolled in. Simply click on My Learning to access your courses. Scroll through your courses or use the search feature to find the specific course you're doing or have questions about. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on your course to delve deeper into its content. Inside the course, you're looking for a specific area where more details about the course are tucked away. You'll see an option saying Show More. Click on this to expand the section and reveal more about the course structure and, importantly, the instructor information. Here comes the crucial step to getting in touch with your instructor. After expanding the course details, navigate to the instructor area. This section provides details about the individual or individuals who have put together the course materials and are guiding you through your learning journey. Among the details provided, look for the instructor's name. This is usually a clickable link. Click on your instructor's name to proceed. Clicking on the instructor's name will take you to their Udemy profile page. Here you can find more details about their professional background, other courses they offer, and most crucially, the option to send a message. Go ahead and click on Send a Message. It's important to note here that the ability to send a message directly to the instructor is dependent on whether they have enabled messaging. If the instructor has chosen not to receive direct messages, you might not find the Send a Message option, or it might be grayed out. However, if messaging is enabled after clicking on Send a Message, a new window will appear where you can compose your message to the instructor. When composing your message, remember to be clear and concise. If you're asking a question, try to be specific about what you need help with. This not only makes it easier for the instructor to provide you with the help you need, but also increases the chances of a swift response. Once you've typed out your message, hit Send Message, and you're all done. Communicating with your course instructor on Udemy is a fantastic way to enhance your learning, clear up any confusion, and even provide valuable feedback that can help instructors improve their courses. Remember, instructors are there to help, and engaging with them can significantly enrich your learning experience. And that's all there is to messaging an instructor on Udemy. Simple, right? We truly hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips. Happy learning and see you in the next video.